How to fix your PS5 keeps turning off when playing games. So if your PS5 is turning off automatically, I'll show you a few ways on how to solve this. Now the first step is you need to go and disconnect everything going to your PS5. So this includes the HDMI cable and also the AC power adapter at the back of the unit. Once everything's disconnected, simply blow into the ports in your PS5 and make sure there's no dust buildup that's stopping the connection. Once you've done this, re-plug the cables back into the device and make sure the cables are firmly secured. You also need to make sure that your PS5 is a standalone unit, so try not to cover the device with any other items. You need to make sure that there's sufficient airflow to the PS5 to basically prevent the console from overheating. Now once you've done this, there's also a couple of settings we need to change on the device itself. So go over to your PS5 home screen like this, come up to the settings in the top right hand side. You can then scroll down to System and click on System Software Update and Settings. Now press Update System Software, and if there's any updates available, you'll need to go and install these now. Now once you've done this, there's one final step, so go and shut down your PS5. Once it's completely turned off, you simply need to hold down the power button on your console for around about 10 seconds. Now continue to hold the button down until you hear 2 beeps. On the second beep, you can then release the power button. It will then take you over to the safe mode screen where you'll need to connect a controller. You can then scroll down to the last option to clear your system cache and rebuild the database. Once you've selected this, we're going to start with Clear System Software Cache and then go and press OK. Now if this doesn't solve the issue, you can also try rebuilding the database as well. Just bear in mind that this can take a couple of hours. Now if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, you may need to go in and reset your PS5. Just bear in mind that this will remove everything from the console, so this is a last resort if nothing else is working.